handle upward. The pressure wheel will be automatically detached. Turn on the power switch. Set the temperature display screen to the required temperature for welding. Wait for it to reach the set value. Set the velocity control knob to the required scale. Insert the geomembrane into the bottom of the machine. Align them. Put down the pressure handle. The pressure wheel and the heating block will be in place and start moving forward to weld automatically. Please pay attention to the welding marks and the position of the geomembrane at all times, and adjust in time if any deviation occurs. During the process, you can adjust the speed. After welding is completed, lift the pressure handle upward. Move the welding machine away and turn off the power. Thanks for watching and for supporting Bounty Welding equipment.